In this video, I will show you how to post a quiz on YouTube community using your mobile phone. Now on YouTube app, you need to tap this plus button down here. Then choose to create a post. And on this next screen, you need to choose quiz to start creating your quiz post. And you can also choose a text post, then add a quiz down here. And after that, you need to ask the community a question, then give them answer options down here. And you can always add more answer options. And when you're creating your quiz post, you can change to it and set its expiration date. And before posting your quiz, you need to select the correct answer. And after posting the quiz, you can like it, add comments, and also share it. And to delete your quiz post, you need to tap these three dots above here and go on to confirm that you really want to delete the post. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.